Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warrantywise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Audi A6 3-litre V6 quattro automatic for a little test drive. Keyless start on these, so foot on the brake, press the engine start stop button there. Car fires up nicely, everything comes to life. So we'll slip it down into drive and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. The gearbox feels really smooth, really good. I think, we're just behind another car doing a test drive from another local garage, so they're taking it a bit easy. I'll go a bit faster on the way back up the hill. But anyway, I can still tell that the suspension's working well. Riding these country roads, or all the bumps on these country roads with ease. The brakes feel nice, the steering feels great. It is a fantastic car to drive, as you'd imagine. Handles superbly, loads of power, really spacious, really comfortable, and so much specification as well. So this one's got the really lovely S-Line Sports full leather seats, which are heated in the front as well. Really nice large screen multimedia system. On there you've got a really decent sat nav, which you can see at the moment. You've also got Bluetooth for your mobile phone hands-free and for audio streaming. DAB radio, as well as FM and AM, and a CD player. I think there's an SD card slot, USB port, auxiliary input, you name it. You can connect any device anyway. It's got it all. Got dual zone climate control both in the front and in the back, which is fantastic. So all the passengers in the car can choose their own temperatures should they wish. Loads of controls down here, your fingertips, and on the steering wheel as well. Multifunction steering wheel with flappy paddles. There we go, loads of power. Parking sensors front and rear. Automatic lights, automatic windscreen wipers, cruise control. So yeah, the car's got everything. A Bose sound system as well. I think that's part of the technology package, along with the sat nav. And there we are. So yeah, thank you for watching. What a car. Hope that has been useful for you. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you soon. So bye for now.